welcome back to the channel. They're being too quick on me. Brad's back here already disassembling this Corvette, but I'm going to show you how to install a spoiler on a car that does not have a spoiler on it. So for some reason, this is the very first 2019 Corvette that I'm delivering. For some reason, they would not let me put the spoiler on it on a non-Z51 car. So basically what I've done for my client is order the car exactly the way we wanted to do it, and then order the spoiler as an accessory and put it on the car for them, which is very simple to do. I'm gonna show you how to install it. So the very first thing you wanna do is remove the plastic trim piece that Brad has already removed here, and then you have all these screws that you wanna take off here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 screws on a 2019 car. And then we'll go into the next step as soon as he gets done talking with those guys. The spoiler comes in this box here. It comes in with all sorts of little things like the directions, and then it has some adhesive, lint-free alcohol wipes, and then also right here it's got a template to put the spoiler on as well. So this is all really, really important to use correctly. Comes with new bolts as well. And you can see down here is the spoiler. You've got all these bolts here to put on, and we're going to show you how to do that here in a second. Got a couple bolts down here at the bottom that we got to take out. How many bolts are down there? Two. Just two? A couple on that side. You got to take the whole fascia off on this? You got to take the whole rear fascia off. So Brad installed my clear tail lights on my Corvette when it first got here a couple years ago, and we just kind of like peeled this area back here. You have to take this off and peel it back, so I wasn't sure, couldn't remember if we had to take this off all the way or not. So the next thing after those bolts, you got to take off the plastic little mud flaps they put on it from the factory. Those just clip on. You got the pry tools like I've got on my videos, which is down in the description below. You can get those. That'll make it a little bit easier coming off. And then you cheat a little bit on this, right? You don't take this all the way off.
No, I'll pull it all the way off.
You just kind of angle it a little bit, yeah. Because there's a lot of wires back here, like the hood latch releases back there. You got the antennas in there, right? You have to unhook those. So there's all sorts of little gadgets in there that you gotta unhook. So again, Brad has done work on my personal cars. I trust him 100%. So you know, doing so much work, he kind of gets a little bit of tips and tricks and stuff like that. You don't have to take that whole fascia off. Saves a little bit of time. What do you do this for?
Pull these covers off. There's bolts behind this trim.
I gotcha. A lot of it's feel, isn't it? Just feeling how those clips get a lot loose. You know, I take my stuff apart all the time, and that's really what it is, man. It looks like you're jerking the hell out of it, but really you're not, just because you can feel it and stuff like that. So you're taking, he's gonna take these off right here so that fascia can come all the way out. You see you got the bolts down there for the lights. Got one more up there, way up there. Don't drop that bolt, huh? Hard to see in here, but you got all those wires you got to unhook, and this makes it much simpler. You got these connectors, you got these connectors, you have this connector, you have this connector, this connector, this connector. That's about it over there. If you ever want to see the rear little coolers, those are those little coolers on, this is a non-Z51 car. You can see right there, no slotted rotors, magnetic ride control though. So those are the little coolers there. And then over here, there is nothing, but if you wanted to put a cooler on there, the bolts and everything are already there to do that. So you got to drill in here, right? And that's what this guy is for right there, the template to put on there. Installing a spoiler.
Yeah, I would do that. I would.
So here is the template completely installed. You can see the tape that I used. So it tells you right on here which millimeters of drill bits to use, how to align it, tells you everything that you need to do. So as you can see here, the template is bigger than what it needs to be, and you have to align the line, not the edge of the template. It's nice when you're using this type of drill bit that you can just sit there and you just drill out to the lines of the lines that they've already put on there. as he's finishing up the last couple holes. If you ever need this template, as soon as my camera focuses, that's your part number right there, 2296-7793. That way, if you ever need this template, you can go right into your GM dealership or search it online and get it yourself. What's up, Ray? How are you, buddy?
I'm doing good. Can't take any more time off, man.
I know he can't. He was off last week, wasn't he, man? We're triple timing him this week, man.
You know, accessories were missing, and no fuel in the vehicle.
Dedicated and very valuable employee right here, I'll tell you. There's your holes. Perfect. All the way around. He's done this a couple times, so. You gotta take the lights off?
Tighten these bolts up.
Yeah.
Same deal, I usually take 3 bolts out and leave them hanging.
Yeah. Cheating. Be efficient, right? When we put the lights in my Corvette, you kind of just peeled this back and undid that. You didn't have to do the whole fascia like this. Fitz, you got lucky, man. How to install Z51 spoiler on Corvette? There you go. As he's reversing what I showed you earlier, the spoiler is all installed. This is one of the things I just try to do. I've seen this installed so many times, but just have never sat there and like recorded or had opportunity to record it. So pretty simple, and it's a little bit of a hack, a little bit of a trick in order not to take that fascia all the way off. You can see the box he's using just to set it on there. That's safe. It's not going to scratch the paint. It's not going to do anything. If this was my personal Corvette, I wouldn't have any issues with that. Matter of fact, I would do it myself that way as well to save some time and energy. So make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification so you can see all my videos, and smash that thumbs up. Thanks for watching my video. Mike Davenport, Louisville Chevy Dude, one of the top Corvette salesmen in the country. Look forward to helping you down the road. Have a great day and drive safely. So there you go. The spoiler is all installed. It's done perfect with confidence, as my buddy Brad does a great job. So just to kind of show you, no issues here. We didn't break any clips. I know, again, it kind of looks violent. But it's not. He does this all the time, and like I kind of explained in the video, it's kind of more of a feel. So let's close this up. Watch my next vlog. It's right up here. I'll be getting this cleaned up because this is going to be the first 2019 Corvette delivered in the United States.